Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the fixture is dead with a non-contact tester. Safety first. Once done, remove the bulb and shade, then unscrew the mounting screws to drop the fixture base. Make sure to wear gloves to avoid glass cuts and set fasteners aside in a small container. You'll need a screwdriver, replacement holder, wire nuts, and the tester at hand so you can proceed quickly and safely to the wiring stage. You should photograph the current wiring to reference later. Once done, loosen the wire nuts and separate the old holder from the circuit. Make sure you identify hot, neutral, and ground, typically colored, then connect the new holder's corresponding leads. If insulation needs trimming, strip about 1/2 inch of wire, twist the conductors together, and fasten with a rated wire nut while holding the joint steady. After securing, wrap the nut with electrical tape. For extra insurance and tuck connections, you finish by reattaching the mounting bracket and aligning the fixture, then reinstall the shade and bulb. Once the fixture is secure, restore power at the breaker and test the switch. Make sure the light operates normally and check for any stray voltage with your tester. If the light flickers or doesn't power up, immediately turn power off. Recheck wire nuts for tight connections, verify the breaker and switch, and confirm the new holder matches bulb type. That single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.